everyone's around, no words are coming now, and I can't find my breath. Can we just say the rest with no sound? And I know this isn't enough, I still don't measure up, and I'm not prepared. Sorry is never there when you need it. And I do want you to know I'll hold you up.
I will always choose you.
And I do want you
I wanted
to
it to be
know
real.
I think that you'd be good to me, and I'd be so good to you.
Damon just sort of snuck up on me. Thought I saw a sign somewhere between the lines, but maybe it's me, maybe I only see what I want. Or I still have your letter, just got caught between someone I just invented, who I really am. Stefan thinks that I have feelings for you.
Do you?
I don't know.